Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into 3D printing in 2025 and don't want to spend a dime on software, today guys is just for you. We're breaking down the base free software for 3D printing from modeling to sleeking and how each one fits your workflow. Let's kick things off with Ultimaker Cura. This hands down the most popular sleeking software out there. It's completely free, open source, and supports a huge range of 3D printers. Whether you're a beginner or pro, Cura gives you a complete control over layer height, infill, supports, and much more. Plus, it has built-in profiles that makes things plug and play. Next up is TinkerCAD. If you're just getting started with designing your own models, this is web-based tool from Autodesk is a winner. It's a super intuitive, runs in your browser, and is perfectly for simple projects. You can drag, drop, combine shapes, and export STL files for printing in minutes. If you want something a bit more advanced, FreeCAD is where it's at. It's completely open source and great for parametric modeling, meaning you can go back and tweak your designs easily. It's a solid option for engineering focused sprints or when you need a precise control over dimensions. And for those who's looking to work with meshes or sculpting, Blender is a powerful option. It's more geared towards animation and art, but its sculpting tools are incredibly for creating organic shapes or detailed character models. Finally, if you need a tool for checking and repairing STL files, MeshMaker is still available via Autodesk Archive. It's a great utility to have. It helps fix holes, scale objects, and optimize prints before sleeking. Alright guys, whether you're designing, sculpting, sleeking, or fixing your prints, all tools are 100% free and fully capable in 2025. Pick the one that matches your style and get printing. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. We've got plenty more 3D printing tips coming on your way.